I'm Paul. This is the AMA. What?
Alpha.
Alpha.
What you got in your hand there?
And the winder that comes with it is what?
Yep, it's a 20-to-1 winder.
The 20 to 1 winder.
And what company are we from?
J&H
Aerospace.
J&H Aerospace.
Hi guys, so Paul here has the AMA Alpha, like he said. This is a kit that comes complete. Kit is not really the right term. It's a ready-to-fly airplane. So you pull it out of the box and just slip everything together, and then you can take everything apart and put it back in the box. So the wings are removable, the wing saddle, all of that. It comes with the winder, it comes with rubber, tail surfaces and all of that are removable just like an old Gillows airplane. These have foam flying surfaces. There's some metal reinforcement down here, and we have modified this by bending those so that you get some good upward angle to the wing called dihedral. Makes the airplane fly quite a bit better. Just that little change from this being flat across here to being angled up makes it fly really well. So Paul is going to demonstrate some flying of this airplane. The main thing that you need to know is your initial setup is to balance the airplane right about halfway back there with a rubber motor loaded on it. And then of course that's relative to the center of the wing, and then to add that dihedral, like I said, and you just do it by taking these parts out, grab a hold and bend until you get the angle you want. So Paul's going to show you how to wind it up and how to fly it, and hope you all enjoy it. Yeah, got it hooked on there? Good. All right, so we're just using a piece of wire off of a fence post. Now Paul is using O-rings here because he flies a lot of indoor, and so he's used to using O-rings. We do have the O-rings available on our website. They don't come standard with the kit. And the other thing you would want to get is some rubber lubricant, because that also does not come with the kits. I'm not entirely sure why, but we do sell silicone oil that works.
Oopsies.
Now don't stretch it out so much and you'll be better. There you go. You got it? Here. You were doing fine with it earlier. See? Well, now I'm struggling with it. It's getting dark.
Yeah.
There you go. All right, wind her up. Stretch it out a little more. That's good.
Can you get the plane for me?
No, that's fine. Wind her up.
What was that?
Dog.
Yeah, but I heard something hit the plane.
Nah, maybe a twig. All right, there you go. Start working your way in. You got it wound up pretty good. Keep going. Very good. There you go. Don't worry about it. You can put that out for you.
Okay.
See? It slips back in. Alright, go out there and show us what it does. We're not indoors.
There's one star. That's one of our neighbors.
Yeah, going in for a landing, Paul.
Oh no, no, no. Ready?
Alright, so in addition to the regular configuration, you can also put landing gear on one of these. This is landing gear stolen out of one of our Good Boy kits, but like a Gillows slip together or anything like that, you can steal the landing gear out of it, or you can make landing gear. It happens that the ones from the Good Boys actually fit perfectly on the motor stick there. And so we can load this thing up. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that I have the wings slid quite a bit forward. And the reason I have the wings slid forward like that is that the landing gear adds quite a bit of weight to this airplane, and so you still have to respect the center of gravity requirements. Now in this configuration, we're using a 1.5 gram rubber motor like what you would use for Technology Student Association competitions. So this airplane actually is legal for TSA in this overall form. All right, Paul, what do you think of it?
It works good. Putting the surfaces on the plane, it like flies very well. And Mommy, get the phone up. Get the AMA Alpha from J&H Aerospace, and actually it'll come with a pair of magnets.
No, it won't.
No, look at these things. Those are magnets.
Those are the wing clips.
Yeah. You would get and it actually comes with clips that you can put the clips on the wing, and then you can slide it just like that in.
And tell everybody to have a nice day.
And have a nice day with the AMA Alpha.
Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.